Was I lucky or did I see something coming? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. All right, was that an egotistic start to the video? Anyway, guys, before I start this video, guys, very first link in the description, click on that. I'm running a live event where I'm going to walk you through my 4-step trading system. I've actually got dozens and dozens and dozens of examples of trades I'm going to share with you. I'm going to tell you all about my trading system and how you can start to apply it right now, today, in your trading. Now, whether you're trading Bitcoin, the cryptos, the currencies, Forex, I'm going to walk you through step by step. If you're trading any of those markets, or even if I'm going to walk you through examples of, say, 1-minute charts, 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts, daily charts, and you'll see all of the examples I'm going to walk you through in depth. This is a training event, and I'm going to be walking through step by step by step by step, live, no replays, exactly all the details to the trading strategy. So after the training, you can start to utilize this as well. If you need help with your trading, then you must attend this event, because I promise you, I'm going to help you start to develop a plan and an edge to help you start to get ahead in the markets, instead of just guessing when to get in, when to get out, is this the right time, all that sort of stuff. So very first thing in the description, as I said before, it is a live event. It's not a replay. It's not an automated webinar, and there is no replay. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I look forward to seeing you on that live event. It's going to be such a great time. Plus, it's going to be live Q&A as well. So let's get straight into it. Yesterday, I came out and I did a video, and I said, you know what, guys? I got out of a lot of my put option trades today. Now, it doesn't mean I was right. I got out of a, let me just bring up the candlestick chart. John, show me the candlestick chart. I don't like I'm gonna stop doing that. All right. So oh my abs hurt. I did cardio this morning. Oh, anyway, so when we're looking at the market, right? I cracked myself up. When we're looking at the market, all right? I did a video yesterday and I said, okay, guys, here is the SPY yesterday. I got out of my put options yesterday. You can see video. Well, I said I've got out of my put options video yesterday because I feel like my intuition's saying that this is the perfect time to get out, because I feel like we're going to get a bit of a reversal in the markets. Now, that did happen. That did happen. In the markets. And I thought I did see that coming, and it did. So I got it right for the 1 day. Long term, it doesn't matter. But remember, my short term trade, because I had an April option as well too, so I was running out of time. I had like 3 weeks to expiration. So I got out on the perfect time, over 100% profit. Today they're like I don't know. Anyway. So the purpose of me saying that, guys, and the purpose of me saying the video is I did a video yesterday basically saying that I believe we're likely to start getting a bit of a turnaround. We got that. Now, the question is, do we actually start to rally up and out? We do have a bit of a gap here. And the really interesting thing is this, guys, if you've been watching my videos for the last, like, month, 2 months, I've been bearish, right? You've been seeing my videos. Yesterday, I came out and I said, even though we had a down candle yesterday, I'm not quite sure about this bearishness. I think we're going to hold here and we're going to rally. I had that sense, I had that feeling. Now, you can't trade on sense and feeling. But on the other hand, I had a really good profit on a lot of these trades. So I took all these trades off, and my God, just thank you for not being greedy in the markets, because this one here was over 100% profit. It's like a 50% profit right now. I had another trade over 100% profit. I would have literally, when it comes to profit, I probably would have over 100 to 200% profit of profits that I had wiped out if I hold it on one more day. So that's the fact of timing, right? Timing is all about that. So what's going to happen right now, where we are right now on the S&P? Let's go back to the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow Jones is actually holding very, very, very strong where we are right now. We do have a bit of a gap here. So I do believe we're likely to start rallying up and out and starting to create. We're basically struggling where we are right now. As you can see, it's like a bit of a double bottom here. And let me bring up this chart here, this blank chart here, because this will be able to, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about here a bit more, I think. So just a blank chart, and take all the trend lines off the screen. And as you can see, right, we're really making a bit of a double bottom here. Let me bring up the trend lines here, right? So this sort of area through here, right? If I bring up my trend line through here more, you can see that that's where it's really finding a lot of support level here. Probably down there more as well too. As you can see, right? Support, double bottom, and now it may be starting to rally up. So one thing I do see here is this a double bottom, and are we going to close this gap here? So for me, I really feel like this market's going to start to rally up and out, and we're going to start to get a rally to the high side. Now, I'm definitely not buying into the market, right? Why? Because the market is going down. So I'm definitely not buying into the market, because that means I'll be going against what the market's telling me right now. So, but that's what I'm seeing right now on the Dow Jones, on the Nasdaq as well too. Holding very, very strongly. And also the S&P, look at the S&P hold that support level really, really, really nice. We came down, closed below it, and now reversed right back up again. So I see a reversal coming, and we do have this a pretty decent gap here we're likely to fill. Plus, looking at all the other stocks I'm looking at, Facebook, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, Intel, all these stocks I've been looking at today when I was trading do look like they're starting to get a bit of a turnaround, and it looks like they're going to start to rally back to the high side. So that's what I'm saying there. But as I said before, guys, that's what the market is saying, right? That's what I feel like the market is telling me right now. I can't guess day by day by day, but when we see a double top here and then a lower low, I believe this we may get a little rally up and out of here. But I'm definitely not buying that. Why? Because the market's created a lower low through here, so we don't know how if the buys do come out of the gates and we start to get some strong buys. We don't know how strong those buys are going to be before the sellers start knocking it down. That's where like I was happy to hold my put options. I got out of my put options because of that. Now I'm just giving you what I'm seeing on the charts right now. And the same thing for, so that's the S&P 500, and the same thing for silver and gold. What happened with silver and gold? Look what happened with silver, right? Just still stuck in this sideways channel. Which way is it going to break? If we break below 1625, probably going to end up back down here, probably even a new low since December, since the new low that we made this is the December 2017. And looking onto gold, what is gold doing right now? Interesting, right? So gold is actually creating what? Creating a potential lower high right now. So we're really stuck in what we call a bit of a triangle pattern here, aren't we? As you can see, like this here was basically a triangle pattern. Really stuck in this, but we are definitely in a sideways channel as well too. Where's gold gonna break? I don't know. The interesting thing is that it looks like it's really interesting to see that the stock market looks like it's going to start to rally, and gold and silver looks like they're going to start to pull off as well too. So bit of a market update for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this session here. As I said before, guys, if you want to know my strategy that I'm teaching, it's not like an introduction. No, I'm going to walk you through step by step, because it is only 4 steps, and I'm going to walk you through example after example after example, plus some other secrets to help you when it comes to how to approach the market, how professional traders view the market, and so much more. Very first link in the description, guys. Click on that, and I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you on the live training.